Good morning. It's Wednesday, February 8th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Fairly quiet start across the state of Georgia. It is a little foggy in South Georgia, but clear skies above the fog. Have a cloud deck along the I-20 corridor and some light showers in northwest Georgia, stretching from Dallas all the way up to Trenton. And these showers continue to move toward the northeast, heading toward the mountains. Not a big deal, just some light rain, just enough to be a little bit of a nuisance this morning. 57 degrees right now at the Atlanta airport, and you'll notice the temperature's a little cooler toward the southeast. 45 in Statesboro, 48 in Savannah. So that's a good sign that a cold front is on the way. That warmer air is right ahead of the front, so that's why we see the warmer air here in the western side of the state. That's going to continue to push toward the southeast as that frontal system moves in closer, and with that warmer air, a little better chance of strong to severe thunderstorms. So we do have a level 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather for tomorrow for southwest Georgia. That does cover Albany, Blakely, Cairo, all the way over to Valdosta. The rest of the state is in the general thunderstorm risk. And then we head into Friday. That level 1 risk shifts toward the east, so taking us all the way to the coastline. Does cover Waycross. Statesboro is in there. Valdosta still in the level 1 out of 5 risk. And the reason that it hasn't moved very much from Albany in this part of the state is because that frontal boundary is pretty much going to stall out. It's just going to linger around for a couple of days over a good part of the state of Georgia, bringing some strong to severe thunderstorms with it. So let's go hour by hour as we start out this morning. There are those light showers there in northwest Georgia. They continue to track toward the northeast. Not a big deal. The rest of the state will see a mix of sun and clouds throughout the day today. As we head into this afternoon, still a little rain chance in North Georgia. The rest of the state fairly quiet. And then we move through the evening hours. A little bit of cloud cover building up, a little bit of a breeze too, mainly in North Georgia. Overnight tonight, that frontal boundary moves in closer. Wind picking up in Rome and Cedartown, Cartersville. And then by tomorrow morning, chance of showers in metro Atlanta, mainly in the north metro as we get started. And then the bulk of that rain continues to push through the midday tomorrow. Rain will start to move in toward Macon, even a few light showers in the southeast Georgia. A few thunderstorms in there as well by tomorrow evening. That's why we have that level 1 out of 5 risk for southwest Georgia. Moving into Friday, see, this is not really moving anywhere. It just stops. Center of the low, position over southwest Georgia. So we're looking at showers and a few embedded thunderstorms in there as we start out Friday morning. And then watch it just get bigger there. It just expands over most of the state of Georgia. So we're looking at periods of heavy rain through the day on Friday. And then moving into Friday evening, still looking at those showers and thunderstorms starting to move toward the coastline. Much cooler air on the backside. Remember, low pressure, you have this moisture moving around in a counterclockwise rotation. So as we head into Friday evening, late Friday night into Saturday, that's going to start pulling some of that cool air back in. Mixing with the moisture could mean a few snow flurries for the mountains of North Georgia. So that's going to be for Friday night into Saturday, and we have another little chance as we head into Sunday as well of a little wintry mix. Not looking at a big deal, not a big snowstorm or anything of that nature, but we could see some snow showers, possibly mixing with some freezing rain and some sleet up there as those temperatures begin to drop below freezing up in the North Georgia mountains. So that's something we'll keep an eye on as we head closer toward the weekend. That's your latest update from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.